Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove OneDrive from a Windows 11 computer. This is the easiest way to get rid of OneDrive. First, click on the Start button, then select Settings. In the Settings window, go to Apps from the left side menu. Now, click on Installed Apps. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your computer. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Microsoft OneDrive. When you find it, click the three dots next to it. Then click Uninstall. Windows will ask you if you're sure. Click Uninstall again. Wait a few seconds while the system removes OneDrive from your computer. After the uninstall is finished, OneDrive will no longer open or run in the background, but some folders or leftover files might still be there. To clean them up, open File Explorer. Go to your user folder, which is usually found in C drive under Users, then your username. If you see a folder called OneDrive, you can right-click on it and select Delete. If Windows says it can't delete the folder because it's in use, restart your computer and try again. Also, if you want to stop any background tasks related to OneDrive, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard. In the box that pops up, type tasks.msc and press Enter. This will open the task scheduler. In the left pane, click on Task Scheduler Library, then look for any tasks that mention OneDrive. If you find any, right-click on them and choose Delete. That's it. OneDrive has now been uninstalled from your Windows 11 computer, and you've cleaned up any leftover files and background tasks. If you ever want to reinstall it, you can get it anytime from the Microsoft Store. Thanks for watching.